Hey there foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the best Guyanese red beans and chicken stew. It is absolutely delicious and ridiculously easy. So you're going to wash and cut your chicken into small pieces and you're going to season it with the ingredients in the description box down below, or you can season to your likeness. Now I would have already boiled my piece nice and tender, and I'm going to strain that and set aside. My meat is already fried up, so now we are going to do our aromatics. So I add some oil to a clean pot, and then you are going to add your celery, garlic, onions, and some carrots. Fry this up, and after about 2 minutes you're going in with your red beans. And for me, I love to fry up my beans first. It just adds another layer of flavor, right? You're gonna go in here with your bouillon, black pepper, chili flakes. If you have house green seasoning, if you don't have, it is just fine. I'll leave a link in the description box on how to make it. And you can add your basil and that kind of stuff if you do have it. All right, fry this up for about 2 minutes on medium low. Then you're going to go in with your chicken. You're going to add your coconut milk, and also you are going to add the beans water. Make sure to stir well, let it simmer, and this is what it looks like when it's done. It took about 30 minutes. You add your parsley and you garnish and you serve over white rice. So if you guys have not yet subscribed, please I would hope you guys consider doing so. Love you guys. Bye bye.